I take my decision for next year, and I decided to stop at the end of the season. So unfortunately, this will be the last half season as a MotoGP rider.
Ciao guys, welcome to MeAndMotorsports. My name is Nitish Didorkar, and it's been quite a long time that I haven't come up with any video, and I really want to apologize for that. But yesterday we got a shocking news of Valentino Rossi retiring from MotoGP, and I couldn't stop myself from making a video because I really want to thank him for all he did for MotoGP. He is the recognition of MotoGP. I mean, if you are an Indian viewer, it will be easy for you to understand if I say he is Sachin Tendulkar of MotoGP. Yes, he has inspired millions of people, and people worship him for his greatness. I'm into motorsports for merely 2 years, but I have watched his old races and then I realized why people call him the greatest of all time. I mean, it's not just his achievements I admire, but the way he adapted to the evolution of motorsports is really remarkable. Because with the help of electronics, motorsports have changed a lot in last 20 years, but he still managed to adapt that and be competitive and win or get on the podium for multiple races. He has seen and he has been through a lot. And talking about his stats, in these 26 years of his career, he has 423 race starts, 115 victories, 235 podiums, out of which 199 are premier class podiums, 65 pole positions, 96 fastest race laps, and 9 world championship trophies. And it goes like this: 125cc crown in 1997, 250cc title in 1999. He also claims the last title of 500cc era in 2001. Then he won the first title of 1000cc in 2002, then 2003, 2004, 2005, 2008 and 2009. I guess he's the only racer to win world championship trophies in 4 different categories. Now let us enjoy some lovely clips and photos from his career and let the nostalgia hit us.
On the 31st of March 1996, just 2 months after his 17th birthday, Valentino made his debut in the 125cc World Championship.
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Yeah, even I don't want him to retire. We will miss the Orange Army cheering Rossi, Rossi in the audience, the VR46 flags, the atmosphere of his home GPs. But hey, nothing is permanent. So let's just be grateful to him for giving us those amazing Sundays. Wish him best luck for his retirement life, and let us cherish the last few races he will be racing this year, and hopefully he gets his 200 Premier Class podium. What are your thoughts on this? Will he get his 200 Premier Class podium? Let me know in the comment section and share your favorite memory of Valentino Rossi with us, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know you watched it till the end just because you too love and admire Rossi as much as I do, and I really appreciate that, and wish you all a very healthy and happy weekend, and hopefully we'll get to see some amazing races in this second half of this season. Adios.